The numbers are in, and surprise, or maybe no surprise, Dayton is outperforming most of the state with our real estate market numbers. Today, I'm sharing with you what our real estate market updates show for the month of March 2024 and for the first quarter of the year in the Dayton, Ohio area. Dayton March figures show a number of sales increased over 5% for the month versus 2023, and our average sale price increased 13%, with our sales volume increasing 19%, versus what the state shows as a slight decrease for the month of 1.8% for the number of sales and only an increase of 8.8% for the average sales price. Because it's also the end of a quarter, let's look at how the Dayton area has performed at the start of this year, because that's just as important to review. Our number of sales for the quarter increased over 14% compared to 2023. Our average sales prices increased 13%, and versus the state, which had a number of sales increase of 3.1%, and our sales price for the state increased an average of 8.5%. The Dayton market sales volume increased a whopping 30%. Don't know about you, but these are some very impressive figures. Our current supply demand with listing inventory is still at a very low 1 month supply based on our current activity. We can't build them fast enough. The higher interest rates aren't stopping people that need to move, and people who are staying in their homes longer have all helped to continue to defeat what the federal rate increases were trying to do to offset market demand. Are you curious about that micro market trend that's going on for your specific community or neighborhood? I'm happy to chat with you and provide with a little more insight into that further market data. I also offer a no obligation analysis of your current home's value, just in case you're interested. Reach out however it's best for you. Comment below, call, text me, whatever. Make sure you subscribe and like our channel for further market updates. It is just the start of our spring real estate market, and already Dayton, Ohio market is showing positive gains for the sellers, that is. Have you been thinking about whether or not it's time to sell? All of these indicators would say yes. Now is the time to sell your house. We're talking about still increased in activity. Sales prices from previous record-setting years is still increasing. So just like when I told buyers that it was time to buy because of the historic low interest rates, I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's also the time to sell because of the historically high sales potential for our sellers market. And what does that mean for you if you happen to be a buyer in this market? I'll be doing a video next to talk about strategies and tips just for our buyers in a seller's market.